A virtual machine is a non-physical, software-based computer. It is used to create an isolated environment for many reasons. Security concerns, software testing, running an OS other than the host OS on the same system, portability, cost sharing, etc. are some of the many reasons. Virtual machine is one of the essential tools of a super user. Today, we will show you how to set up a virtual machine, and install and run Windows 11 on it. We have observed that the Oracle VirtualBox is better among free virtual machines available out there. Therefore, we will Google their website and download one for today's tutorial. We will install Windows 11, therefore, we will download one for Windows. Once the setup is downloaded, we will start the installation. The installation is quite simple. Just click Next button on each screen, unless you want to change something. We will keep all the default settings, and let it install on its own. Installation will take just a few seconds. Once the installation is complete, it will give you the option to start the virtual machine. This is how the Oracle VirtualBox looks like at the first startup. We will create a new virtual machine for Windows 11. In the Create Virtual Machine window, we must provide the name of the virtual machine, its location, and the location of the ISO file, which contains the operating system. In the next window, we must provide the username and password. This will be used as Windows login and password. We can customize our virtual machine by setting the RAM and processors from this window. We will set 2 GB RAM and 2 CPUs for our virtual machine. Here we can create a new virtual hard disk, or use an existing one. We will create a new virtual hard disk of 40 GB for our virtual machine. Finally, a summary of our virtual machine's specifications are presented before the virtual machine is created. Once the virtual machine has been created, it will be displayed on the left side of the window. After the virtual machine has been created, it will reboot by itself. And the operating system installation will start automatically. The process of Windows installation is the same as on a normal computer. The Windows starts copying its file over to the virtual hard disk. Then the files will get ready for installation. This process may take some time, depending on the specifications and performance of the host system. After a short welcome message, Windows will get things ready. Finally, Windows will display its desktop. The simplest and the most efficient way of moving stuff between host and guest operating systems is a shared folder. However, before sharing a host folder with the guest operating system, guest editions may be installed on the guest operating system. These files are available on the mounted image. Guest editions can also be installed from Devices menu. After the guest editions are installed, the operating system will reboot. Now you can attach a shared folder from the shared folder settings. We will add a shared folder by providing its location, and turning on the Auto Mount checkbox. Now, we can go to the Windows Explorer on the guest operating system, and view the shared folder there. Let's copy a file in the shared folder, on the host operating system. Now, let's open this folder in the guest operating system, and see if the file is available there. Congratulations! Our virtual machine is ready and working as it should. Thanks for watching. We hope you liked our tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials and updates.